Welcome back to the class, children. The next synthetic fiber we'll study is acrylic. Acrylic fiber is actually a substitute for wool. It is dissolved in suitable solvents and the solution is allowed to pass through the spinnerets to form fine fibers that is further spun into yarns. The wool obtained from natural sources is quite expensive, right? However, acrylic offers a relatively cheap option which is available in a variety of colors and is more durable. Acrylic is not affected by moisture, bacteria or chemicals easily. The acrylic fiber is warm, soft, light, flexible and is also known as Orlon or Acrylon. Acrylic fiber can be easily knitted to make sweaters, shawls, socks, etc. So that was some of the uses of acrylic fiber. Moving on to the next fiber, that's the last one, spandex, which is also known as lycra, children. It is soft and rubber-like and it allows the fiber to stretch a lot, which recovers its original shape. Basically, it's a elastic. It has the good property of elasticity. The high elasticity of the fabric made from these fibers is suitable for making clothes which require a body hugging fit like swimming costumes, undergarments, shirts, etc. So this is all about spandex, children. That's also called as lycra. So these were some of the synthetic fibers which we have studied. Now, do you think they are always useful or they always have advantages over the natural fibers, or they have certain disadvantages as well, right? So we will go ahead and study first the advantages that synthetic fibers have, and then we will study about some of the disadvantages. When we talk about the advantages of synthetic fibers, the first that comes into mind is that they have high tensile strength. What is tensile strength? A property due to which the fibers withstand heavy loads without breaking. So they are strong. Then the second advantage is the fibers have elasticity, a property by which they regain their original shape even after stretching. Third, the fabrics made from polyester and nylon are easier to maintain. They don't require a high maintenance as they retain the plaits and folds even after washing, as they are set by the application of heat. Fourth advantage of synthetic fiber is that the production of synthetic fibers is not dependent on agricultural crops and animal farming. Also, the fibers are not affected by the action of chemicals, moisture and bacteria easily. The synthetic fibers are comparatively low cost products as compared to the natural fibers, children. So these are a few advantages that synthetic fibers have. Moving on to the disadvantages of synthetic fibers. Children, synthetic fibers are hydrophobic. That is, they repel moisture. In other words, we can say that they do not allow our skin to breathe. Not only some of them are uncomfortable, but they also have negative health effects as our body uses the skin to eliminate toxins through sweat. Then synthetic fibers melt before burning. As a result, the clothes made up of such fibers melt and stick to the skin in case of fire and may cause heavy burns. So they need careful ironing as well. Third disadvantage of synthetic fibers is that they accumulate electric charge on them. As a result, They cling together and stick to the skin, causing irritation. Your hair stands straight after combing with a nylon comb vigorously due to the electric charge in the comb. Yes, so this is another disadvantage of synthetic fiber to accumulate the electric charges. So these were a couple of disadvantages of synthetic fibers, children. So in this video, we have studied about the different synthetic fibers, characteristics and their uses. Also, we have studied about the advantages and disadvantages of synthetic fibers. So, please go through the video thoroughly, read through the textbook as well along with this video. For your better understanding, we are also sending you YouTube links. Please watch them as well. Take out some time and watch them as well for better understanding. And you have your homework in the PDF. Do that homework in your notebook, children. So enjoy e-learning. Thank you.